Perfectly sized for your travel needs, the RunOff Waterproof Small Packing Cube provides adventure protection you can trust. The patented TRU Zip waterproof zipper developed by Nite is the first sliding, toothless waterproof zipper on the market. TRU Zip is easy to use, silent, and reliable. The smooth gliding zipper fits securely in the garage, giving you confidence that your bag is sealed and your gear is protected. This packing cube is built with durable, lightweight, TPU-coated materials, and the RF-welded seams offer maximum protection against water, sand, and dust. With a waterproof rating of IP67, this bag is completely submersible. Corner anchor points and a tough bar-tacked nylon loop offer versatile attachment and carrying options. This airtight, compressible packing cube protects and organizes everything from electronics to cosmetics. Trusted, tested, and tough, the RunOff Waterproof Small Packing Cube is the perfect addition for all of life's adventures.